Oh my gosh. It's such a rainy, cold May day today. Today's Tuesday. It's supposed to be Taco Tuesday. It's supposed to be the big group ride that we do every week. But it's a little gloomy, cloudy. It's not raining right now, but it's drizzling this morning and the streets are still wet. So I think the big group ride got canceled today. I'm not gonna go riding today. It's a little chilly for that too. I think it's like 50 degrees. So what that means is I'm gonna be installing a tank cover that I got, working on the V4. Now I wanted to make it look like a V4R. So there's a couple more things that I ordered. I got a piece in from Italy. It's upstairs. So we'll probably go take a look at that, unbox it, and then see if we can put it on. So usually I like to do it outdoors. I think I may still do it outdoors since it's not raining right now. So we'll take a look. I'll bring it out here and we'll put that on outside. The box is marked fragile and it just showed up like this. So you can kind of see how it looks. I'm hoping it's not damaged. It's pretty light, but I don't know what happened. This tape is from Italy. It looks like it's already been opened. Actually seems wet. At least they bubble wrapped it really well. Tomorrow, it looks like it's brushed aluminum, but I really think it's just the paint job to make it look like it's brushed. These are the connecting points. We'll have to see how it fits. Ended up being a little too cold outside for me, so we're gonna try to do this in the garage, but it should be fairly simple. Let me show you guys what I think I have to do to install this tank. Now, or tank cover, I should say. This is just the cover. You guys saw it when I unboxed it. It should be a direct fit and replacement over on top of the existing tank. I'm gonna have to remove the seat to attach these bolts down here. I'm also gonna have to take off the tank cover where the battery is with these 4 bolts, and I think there's some Velcro here. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then some Velcro. And then I think I can really just pull the Velcro pieces off of here, these side panels. I don't think I have to remove the whole side, and install the tank cover. All right, so the first thing that I noticed is when you're taking off the little tank cover screws or bolts, they do have washers on them. So you wanna make sure that if the washer gets stuck to the tank cover, that you take it off and that you don't lose it, because you are gonna need it to put it back. Now that that's off, as you can see underneath there are 2 Velcro pieces and then 2 clips that also clip into the other bearings. Now that this is off, I'm gonna set this aside. All right, next, we're gonna remove the seat. Now that's the seat, super easy. Let's take a quick look at it. That was super easy. It took me maybe 10 minutes. Now we just have to button it back up. But here's how it looks with the pieces still off on the tank. So I have to put the seat back and the battery cover. There wasn't much to that, much easier than I thought. So we ran into our first snag. Looks like the cover is not gonna fit with these Velcro pieces on here. So I'm gonna see if I can take them off. It's a much better fit. It's not a perfect fit by any means. Still little gaps, but I think I can make it work. Now the last thing that we have to do to this new tank cover to make it look like the V4R, and one of my favorite mods is tank grips. These are official Ducati performance tank grips. Really I got these because it's one of the best looking ones. I've had stomp grip on all my bikes before. They were good, but not a huge fan of stomp grip, so I wanted to try something new. And so this is HCR we're gonna check it out. Here are the tank grips. This provides phenomenal control, or better control than you have without them. I know not everyone's a fan, but I am, and they come with 3M VHB tape on the back. So this is going to be specially double-sided tape specifically for vehicles and should last a long time. Interestingly enough, it looks like these might be made by One Design, which has another version of the tank grips for the Ducati V4. So I like this just because it's a little bit different, it's a little bit smaller than the One Design ones, but the degreaser that comes with it that you're going to need to apply it says One Design on it. So I'm guessing these are actually made and rebranded Ducati by One Design. There's a little bit of grease that came off. You can see it's not totally white, so this is a good thing. Now, if you don't have a degreaser or degreasing cloth, you can obviously use a rubbing alcohol, which I had repaired because I didn't know that this came with a degreasing cloth. Now, the pieces go like this on the bike. I'm actually gonna start with the smaller piece because I think that's gonna be a little bit easier to put here, and then I'll be able to match it up with the bigger piece. There she is, all complete. Let me know what you guys think. I still have to get a tank protector here. This is kind of bare. The good thing is this is an actual cover, so it's not going to scratch the actual tank, but I would like to get tank protector there, so I'll get that. But other than that, here's how she looks. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below.